So this is the name of the topic, linear transformation. And what is the meaning of this? Let we have a point P with coordinates xy in a plane transformed to another point P dash with coordinates x dash y dash under reflection in the coordinate axis. Point P will be reflected with the y-axis. This point has been transformed to this point P dash, and or we can say that or reflection in the line. Reflection in the line y is equal to x tangent theta, or rotate OP. This one, they are saying that rotate this line OP with an angle or through an angle theta about the origin or rotation of axis. Then the coordinates of P dash can be expressed, and this is the new point we have. Suppose this is the point, and this is the reflection of x-axis, that is x dash, and that will be the negative side of y-axis, that is y dash, and this is the reflection. Suppose this is the point P dash with the coordinates x dash y dash. So we can say that OP is the line and OP dash is the reflection. So this is the line we have, and this is the reflection. OP dash is the reflection of OP through origin O. Then the values of x dash and y dash will be a1x plus b1y, a2x plus b2y, and this transformation can also be written in matrix form like this: a1 b1 a2 b2. This is x and y column matrix, and such type of transformation, this one, is said to be linear transformation in two dimension. So this is a linear transformation in two dimensions. Similarly, relation of the form. This is the relation in terms of x and y. Similarly, we shall have a relation in terms of x, y, and z. So x dash is there, y dash is there, and z dash is there. So this type of transformation can be expressed as x dash is equal to ax. You know that what is x dash? This is a column matrix, x dash, y dash, z dash, and the matrix x is x, y, and z is there. And what is the matrix A? A can be written like this: A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. So this type of transformation is linear transformation, and it is transforming the point x, y, z to x dash, y dash, z dash in three dimension. So these are the transformations we have. So this is the meaning of linear. Linear क्यों? क्योंकि इन सभी का वेरिएबल का डिग्री 1 है. raised to power 1, raised to power 1, raised to power 1 in all these three equations. That is why this is called a linear transformation, or it is also said to be linear operator. Remember, लीनियर ऑपरेटर दो नाम है इसके, ऑपरेटर भी बोल देते हैं और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन भी बोल देते हैं. Now, why it is called linear? This is the logic we have. Suppose we have y1 is equal to ax1 and y2 is equal to ax2. Then clearly a y1 plus b y2 will be a into ax1 plus bx2 for all the values of a and b. क्योंकि उसमें डिग्री जो है हर एक टर्म में 1 होती है, इसलिए हम उसको लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कहते हैं. Now let us take the example. In the example we have x matrix 2 minus 3 and the matrix A is 1 minus 1 2 and 3. Then the matrix Y is y1 y2 and that is equal to by using this formula, that is A into x, and the matrix A is having a first row 1 minus 1. This is 1 minus 1, 2 and 3 into x, that is 2 minus 3 is there. Now multiplying these two, what we shall have? We shall have 2 ones are 2 and minus 1 into 3 minus is 3. So adding up, that is 5. 2 twos are 4 and 9, that is minus 5. This is y matrix 5 and minus 5. And what does it mean? By using this transformation, y is equal to x. x का जो कॉलम मैट्रिक्स है वो है 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 has been transformed to y matrix. And what is the y matrix? 5 and minus 5. So this is the meaning of this under the transformation defined by A, the matrix A, and which is a linear transformation. So this is the meaning of a linear transformation. Now after linear transformation, we have orthogonal transformation. The linear transformation अगर हमने इसको जनरल में लिखना हो, लोग दो एलिमेंट के लिए लिखते हैं तो हो जाएगा y1 y2. एंड अगर हम यहाँ पर भी दो के लिए ही लिखते हैं तो सपोज दिस इज a11 a12 a21 a22. हमने दो दो एलिमेंट ही लिए हैं और इसमें हम लोग लेते हैं x1 एंड x2. So this is for two elements or for two equation or for two dimension. और 2 से हम लोग 3 dimension भी बना सकते हैं. Suppose we want to write down this transformation in 3 dimension, then that will be y1 y2 y3 is equal to a11 12 13 a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33. So this is a matrix A and this is a matrix X, x1 x2 x3. This is in 2D and this is in 3D. So we can write down every linear transformation in 2D, in 3D, or in 4D, or in ND. Suppose we want to write down in n dimension, then that is y1, y2, so on yn. So a11, a12, a13, so on a1n. a21, a22, a23, and so on a to n. Similarly, on this side, a n1, a n2, a n3, and so on a n.
वहाँ पे भी तो y n है ना.
यस बेटे,
y3 की जगह तो yn होना चाहिए सर आगे।
हाँ हाँ, ये y n this is x1 x2 so on xn. So this is for n dimension, or you can say that for n elements. Now this transformation y is equal to ax is said to be an orthogonal transformation if it transforms y1 square plus y2 so on yn into x1 स्क्वायर प्लस x। तो अगर ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इसको इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देता है तो हम कहेंगे दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज एन ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑर्थोगोनल। हेलो,
यस सर।
हाँ जी बेटे, वो कट हो गया था।
ओके सर।
सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। इसमें सिर्फ डेफिनेशंस आने के चांसेस हैं, या फिर ये वाला क्वेश्चन प्रूव दैट द मैट्रिक्स इज ऑर्थोगोनल। किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को ऑर्थोगोनल प्रूव करना है। सपोज वी हैव दिस मैट्रिक्स ए 1 2 2 2 1 -2 2 -2 1, then what we need to prove A into A transpose should be I matrix। तो अगर ये प्रॉपर्टी इस मैट्रिक्स के लिए प्रूव हो जाए तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये मैट्रिक्स ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स है। So A into A transpose. What is A matrix? It is clear. 1 2 2 2 1 -2 2 -2 1, and you have to multiply it with A transpose. So 1 by 3 इसका ट्रांसपोज लेंगे तो फर्स्ट रो विल बिकम फर्स्ट कॉलम। 1 2 2 2 1 -2 2 -2 1, दोनों सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स ही हैं, रोज और कॉलम्स सेम है। Now 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 will be 1 by 3. Now you just need to multiply 1 into 1, 2 into 2, and 2 into 2. That will be 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके, and this is a 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 1 by 9. Ultimately we shall have I matrix. So the property has been proved. Now you can say that the matrix, given matrix A is an orthogonal matrix. अगर ये प्रॉपर्टी प्रूव हो जाए तो वो ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स बन जाता है। ओके,
Okay, sir.
चलिए, वी शैल कंटिन्यू टुमारो। आई स्टॉप माई क्लास हियर। हम लोग इसको आगे कल करेंगे।
ओके सर।
कल मैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स भी लूंगा, थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम्स करके आइएगा।
Yes, sir. हैगे sir, doubts हैगे।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir.